Hey traders, I prepared a fascinating strategy for you today, so watch carefully and let's start. Trading is hard and complicated. If you think so, you are simply wrong. Go to my Telegram channel and see it for yourself. There are detailed explanations of trading strategies along with accurate trading signals over there. And if you got any questions left, feel free to join one of my regular live streams and ask me personally. Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make money off of binary options using the simple strategy that helped me personally make money in the very beginning of my trading journey. So if you really want to make profits off of binary options and make money here, watch this video carefully and until the very end. Enjoy. So we're gonna trade at the pocket option platform today. The link is in the description below this video, just like always. For starters, let's add the indicators we're gonna need today. Clicking right here and picking the down-chain channels indicator. As we can see, this indicator constitutes a certain channel highlighted by established borders. Our job is paying attention to these borders. The lines indicate support and resistance levels. The resistance level is the one at the top. If the price reaches the upper border, we place a trade downwards. And if the price reaches the support level, the one that's below, we place a trade upwards. So let's get to practice now. I hope everything will be as clear as possible. Before we start, I would like to explain one very important nuance to you guys. If you see that the price keeps on rapidly rising or falling and doesn't stop touching the same border all over again, don't even think about entering the market, because in that case there are no support and resistance levels just yet. We only want to trade when we see a precisely defined level we can work with. So yeah, that's very important, guys. Keep that in mind. So I'm placing a 1 minute trade to upwards. We can clearly see that the price has reached the support level. We might also want to take a look at the candles. These ones right here have large downward shadows, which indicates a strong buyer's presence who's going to try and push the price higher. While the trade is in progress, let me explain to you guys how these levels form and why the price reacts to them. There are only two global participants on the market, buyers and sellers. Price levels are formed whenever one side becomes stronger than the other, making the market reverse, which basically means there's a lot of money behind that level and the market does not have yet enough power to break it through. And the trade confidently closed in a profit. Such an amazing motion. Let's carry on. So I'm placing a trade downwards for 1 minute. We can see this resistance level right here at the top, and I placed my downward trade at this level precisely. As the price approached it, red candles appeared. We can also see a nice upward shadows, which means that there is a strong seller out there on the market who will insist on pushing the price down at that point. Look what a flawless motion! This indicator works amazingly well because it accurately shows the next levels of high interest the price might bounce off of. See how immaculately this trade closed. Let's carry on. So I'm placing a trade downwards for 1 minute. We can see that this resistance level has formed, from which I expect the price to go down. We can also see that the last candle has a large upward shadow, which indicates a strong seller in the market who will try to push the price lower. Look what an incredible move we are witnessing thanks to this indicator. We're getting a confident profit. Just look at this amazing motion, guys. Moving on. Making a deal downwards, we can see this resistance level right here. I'm waiting for the price to go down from this level. In addition to the indicator signal, be sure to look for other factors that could confirm your entry point. I usually use candles, but in this case, I don't see any significant signaling ones. Therefore, I recommend you guys to also look at the general trend course just as well. We can obviously tell the price is going down here. However, the strength of this downtrend can only be confirmed by the recent levels. We can see that this level right here formed, but the indicator shows that the level is much higher than it actually is. This confirms a strong downtrend. For this exact reason, chances are the price will bounce off of this level to the downside. Another flawless trade closed in a profit. So I'm placing a 1 minute trade upwards. We can see this trading corridor has appeared. We can also see that the price has reached the support area. Thereby, I expect the price to go up from this point. The price has already started reacting to this level a tiny bit. However, I believe it's gonna keep on moving. First of all, we can see this candle with a large downward shadow, which indicates a strong buyer's presence. And we can also see a nice candle with a big body right after. This occurrence confirms the presence of a powerful buyer here. So it's more than possible for the price to keep rising. We made a nice profit, although it was quite risky, I would say. Look at the strong downward momentum. But yeah, we still captured a nice upward motion. Let's carry on, guys. So my trade is placed. The first thing we can see is that the price has entered the resistance area from where I expect the price to fall. The second confirming factor is the amount of reactions to this area. Also, if we were to take a look at the last candle, we would see that it has a large upper shadow, which clearly indicates a strong seller's presence. Let's see how it goes. And again, what an incredible impulse! And we got another confident profit. So I'm placing a trade downwards for 1 minute. We can see that the indicator shows a support level the price has already reacted to multiple times. The price has already entered this area and shown a downward reaction. Let's take a glance at the candles. We can see large upward shadows. This one once again confirms the fact that there is some seller on the market who insists on pushing the price down. These two factors are basically enough to make a trade with this strategy. As you can see, I have increased the deal amount to $200. But I strongly recommend you guys to always follow your risk management. It's very important because you could lose your deposit at any time with only one failed trade if you don't follow your risk management. Look what a flawless motion we captured, and we have successfully made a profit. I think we can sum things up now. Starting from $300 invested, we managed to increase the account balance to $1,100. Imagine what would have happened to your account balance had you been trading with me all along. By the way, guys, today I'm hosting a free trading session on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Follow if you want to make real profits with me. And I think at this point, we have recorded our profits, so it's time to withdraw our money. Clicking on finance right here, withdrawal. Here we want to choose any convenient withdrawal method. I prefer cryptocurrency. Entering the amount right here. Our account address right here. And the verification code. Our application is successfully submitted. That's it for today, guys. I hope this strategy will help you make profits off of binary options. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.